Hi, this is Everett with Action Heating and Cooling. We're headed down to Fort Meade this morning to replace a residential 2.5 ton straight cooled air conditioning unit.
I'll see y'all. My name is Eric with Action Heating and Cooling. Today we're changing out this ream system, 2.5 ton with a Train high efficiency heat pump system here in Fort Meade. What we're going to start by is pumping down all the refrigerant out of this unit, removing the condenser, and then we'll move into the air handler inside. It right here, or set it over there? We'll set it over there. It's easier to tote on this.
Right here, ready? Yeah.
Alright, we're through with the installation. Got everything soldered in, air handlers installed, condenser's ready. Now we're ready to fire it up and check the pressures.